We took the control box, and what I did was some 3M tape and some really strong little magnets, and we're gonna take it and secure it under the skid plate. So now you're gonna take your length of wire that comes with your on-off button and your power, negative, fuse. Now, we have a switch panel from Mike Tuning that makes this super easy, quick install. You put them in, screw it down, and you're done. If you don't have that, they provided something like this on the end of it, and that can just go straight to the battery terminal and be hooked up normally if you don't have one of these. We're just gonna take these. I like to make them a little extra long and then just fold them in half. That way you have a nice big contact surface when you install these. These are pretty simple. They just shove right in and you screw it down. Highly recommend if you're starting to put in rock lights or anything of that nature, you're gonna wanna get a nice quality switch panel that allows you to turn these accessories on and off easily from in the cab. You will have an app feature with these that you'll go and download from the App Center, but it gives you another way to cut the power on and off. Pro tip, before you install these things, we actually got started and I thought, how dumb are you? Always wire it up and make sure that they work. We're gonna go around and we're gonna plug the rest of these leads in and make sure everything works properly, but always test it out before you spend 6 hours installing this thing and realize that they don't work for some weird reason, or hey, nobody's manufacturing is perfect. So test them out before you hook them up. And there you go. Like I say, test them all out before you go through all the time to wire them and install them. Just makes life easier. I want to give you a tip, and that's wire management. You want to make sure that these don't wiggle around, rub and chafe on things. They send these in the kit that have peel and stick on both sides. We're going to stick it to the back of this, stick this in place, and probably for a little added measure, I like to buy these. They're self-tapping, so they'll go right into this. This is just plastic. So we'll just go right into that plastic and make sure it's secure. They do send all this hardware in the kit. If you have somewhere that you can actually physically mount it to, there's all kinds of hardware with nuts and bolts to put all that in. But for us, it's a Jeep, man. I kind of tend to just wing it, and we just put it where is good for us. So we're gonna get these mounted up, and then we'll show you how everything else works out. And there you have it. Nice tucked and tight wires. We hid them back in there. Come down underneath the rock rail. So we got 2 in there now, and we have some more extension coming. If you need more extension, reach out to the company and get some more extensions. They're really nice about taking care of you with extensions. So the next one is gonna go up in the fender well in the back.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn